2019 Ford Edge. Thrills with more power and MPG. Either way, you're in for an exhilarating experience with Ford Edge. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, power windows, trip computer, electronic stability control, rear window defroster, compass, tachometer, brake assist, overhead console, panic alarm, remote keyless entry, tilt steering wheel, rear window wiper, driver vanity mirror. Come take a test drive today.